I just got my first package from RGOTHIC today. Let's try some things on. First is going to be this flat cut tank shirt dress. Let's go see how it looks. Ooh, she's giving me life. I will have to wear a different bra with this. I just feel like the tank bra I'm wearing is too thick of a strap for this. Although I could clip these to that and then look better. I love the design. She is so cute with her wings and the blue and the orange moon. The material's a little thin. I don't know how that's going to be for winter wear, but I really like this one. Let's see what I got next. Ooh, look at this one. Oh, let's try that on next. Ooh, look how pretty this looks. Oh. Okay, I really like that you can do this and get a more contoured, sculpted bust area. This is really nice. It's super comfortable. Love the design. Yes, I can totally see this. Yes, cool. Loving it. Next thing I've got is a full outfit, shirt and skirt to match. So we'll try that next. This is my favorite. I am all about a bell sleeve moment. I just think that's super sexy, very beautiful and elegant. I love the little mock corset on the top and also mock corset moment on the skirt as well on both sides with that hint of color. I love the knot moment here in the middle. It accentuates my breasts and my chest and makes it look very pretty. Yes, I love this. I love that I can also wear the top with other things and the skirt with other things too. So versatile. Oh, yes. I cannot wait for a date night. And I even love how it looks with my hair down. Oh, so pretty. So glad I bought these. I will be buying from RGOTHIC again. Yes. And if you guys want to see what other things I get, let me know in the comments down below. If you want to see more. If not, it's fine. I'll keep it all to myself. All right. Thanks for joining me in this little look of the day. What I got in the mail. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode of all the fun going on here in the lab.